Adobe Premiere Pro fade in and fade out video. Basically, if you want to fade in this video clip like so, you want to go to Effects Control. If you don't have this, go to Window, click on Effects Control, click on Opacity and click right here. So it's color blue, it adds a keyframe. Underneath 100%, make sure you drag your mouse to the left. Notice how it's getting darker. Let's say we want to fade in to 100% right here. Go back and drag this to the right. As you can see, it has added a keyframe. So it fades in the video. You can delete this and even click the opacity to undo. Another way is to go to effects and type in barn door for a wipe effect, which fades in like so. If you want that to be longer, double click right here on the timeline and drag the duration or drag this to the right. As you can see how it's fading into the video slowly. And if you want to delete it, right click and click clear. Another way you can fade in is to type in dip underneath effects and drag dip to black or dip to white. And basically you can do the same thing if you want to fade out a video. Let's say we'll add a cut, go to the end of the video clip, one frame to the left, click on opacity on effect controls, drag this to the left so it's 0, go back to this clip and drag this to the right. As you can see now, it fades out the video completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro.